How to sync Facebook friends to TikTok. First of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Then tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and choose settings and privacy. On this section, you have to select privacy option under account. Then you will see the option of sync contacts and Facebook friends. So select that option. And here, make sure to toggle the button on of sync Facebook friends. If you haven't yet, then you can simply tap on the button and turn it to blue color. Once you have turned that, if you wish to remove previously synced Facebook friends, you can easily select the red line and easily remove previously synced Facebook friends and again sync the new Facebook friends to TikTok. So let's do that and select remove button. Once you do that, you again need to toggle the button on and then sign in to your Facebook account. Enter all your credentials and after that, your Facebook friends will be synced to your TikTok applications account and then they will start recommended on your profile page and your Facebook friends videos will also be recommended on your FYP. So that is how we easily sync Facebook friends to TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.